Hi friends, this is Manish from Hyse Placement Service Private Limited. Are you looking for a software job as a fresher? So here it's a golden opportunity. Use this. Today we are hiring for 1000 software freshers on different domains: Java, .NET, testing, UI UX, data science, Python, and AngularJS, and PHP, Android, digital marketing, WordPress. So guys, whoever seriously interested for freshers job in the software sector, you can just select this. And we are looking with 2013 to 2000 passed outs, and who are with minimum 60 above percentage and with basic communication skill. 10,000 rupees every 6 months to 1 year. They are increasing the packages for the students. So sitting in the home, ideally it's not good. So better it may be any job, you will get a good experience, live experience and environment. So it is very important in a life to gain the knowledge and the experience. Okay, so whoever seriously interested for job, in the description we have clearly mentioned the Google form and the web link and the contact numbers of our HR team. You can register in the Google form or a web link or call our HR team. Thank you very much guys. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends who are looking for the software jobs, and subscribe our channel, like this video. Bye bye, take care.